Hi guys, Ben from Flow Brackets. Today we've got an MG ZS EV and today we'll be trying to show you how to mount some number plates cleanly onto this car by removing this factory mounting box, also known as an OEM plinth. Okay, what's the problem? The problem is MG gives you this big mounting box, also known as an OEM plinth, and it's just too big and ugly. So it doesn't matter what number plate you run, it's just going to be oversized and ugly. So that, for example, we've come up with a OEM plinth delete, also known as a miniature plinth, to shrink this down so that when you mount number plates onto it, it'll be nice and clean. All right guys, let's show you how to get it done. What we're going to do is remove the OEM plinth and replace it with our miniature version. Start by removing the 4 screws. The next step is to grab our miniature plinth and align it with the factory holes. You won't need to drill any extras. We'll also provide all the screws as part of the kit. Now that you've got the first part done, which is the miniature plinth, the second part is to choose a matching number plate bracket that matches your number plate style and size. So if you have a slimline plate, you grab a slimline bracket and then your number plate can go on top. And if you had a JDM plate, you'd run a JDM bracket first, followed by the number plate. Just be mindful, if you guys are running a number plate that is smaller than a JDM, that the plinth will still be visible, but it's the only way that we can still retain the factory mounting points and cover all the holes as well. There you go guys, OEM plinth delete kit on an MG ZS EV. Just remember, it is a 2-part mounting solution, so you'll need the miniature plinth as well as a matching number plate bracket. Just remember to pick up the number plate bracket that suits your number plate size and style. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.